One day, a talking ice cube and a boy were walking on a garden on a sunny day. They were a very close friends and inseparable. But then suddenly, the boy felt thirsty because he walked too much in a hot day. He wanted to drink some water. But the ice cube realized that there was no water around there. But the boy was sure that there was. The boy had a good idea. So he told the ice cube to follow him. They walked into the forest. The boy started to gather some wood, and he made a fire. He started to fry the pan. The ice cube had no idea of what he was doing. When the fan was hot enough, he grabbed the ice cube's arm and threw it into the fan. The ice cube screamed and wanted to get out, but he had no way of getting out. And the ice cube started to melt. This process is called melting. When you give heat to a solid, it turns into a liquid. After a while, the ice cube turned into a liquid. It was because he kept giving heat to it. But then when he tried to drink the water, he felt sorry for the ice cube, which was now boiling. He wanted to change the liquid back into ice. So he got a refrigerator from his home. When he came back, he realized that the liquid turned into a gas because the liquid went through evaporation. If you give heat to a liquid, it turns into a gas. The boy realized that if you take away heat from a gas, it turns into a liquid. So he magically collected all the gas from the air and put it into the refrigerator and waited till it became a liquid. After a few minutes, when he opened the refrigerator to see what happened to the gas, he saw that the gas turned into a liquid because the liquid went through condensation. The boy closed the refrigerator again because he knew that if you take away heat from a liquid, it turns into a solid. After a few minutes later, he opened the refrigerator again, and he saw that the liquid turned into a solid because the liquid went through solidification. But when the ice came out of the refrigerator, it was not an ice cubes anymore. It was just a weird shaped ice because liquids don't have definite shape and they just take up the space that was given to them. But the refrigerator was not a cube shape, so the liquid just took up the space that the refrigerator had. The ice was angry that he was not an ice cube anymore. So they fought and fought. And they ended up not being friends anymore.